Okay. Shark. We're going to talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. So what? Oh, dinosaur too. What are parallel and perpendicular lines? Well, parallel lines are lines that point in the same direction and don't touch each other in geometry. In geometry, that's what parallel lines are. So, if I had, let's say, a line that went like this, or I guess you could say a ray that went like this, and another ray that went like this. Trying to make these would be parallel, or at least I'm trying to represent them in parallel. This one's slightly pointed in a different direction, but pretend like it's pointed in the same direction as this one. Okay, these would be parallel. They'd be pointing in the same direction, and they're not touching. Another example of parallel lines could be this one. This one is an actual line. Okay. This would also be an example of a parallel line. They're pointing in the same direction and they're not touching each other. Another example of a parallel line could be, parallel lines could be this. They're both pointing in the same direction. They're both going in the same direction and they're not touching each other. Another example could be, oh gosh, I already did that one actually. Could be, oh no, that one's not parallel. This, they're both pointing in the same direction. They're both pointing, going in the same direction, and they're not touching each other. So these are all parallel lines. Lines that go like that, okay? Now, perpendicular lines are lines that touch each other and one goes straight out from another one, okay? They go straight out 90 degrees from another one, or a quarter of a circle, whatever you want to look at it, okay? So if I were to have a line that goes like this, a perpendicular line to that would be one that's touching it and going straight out from its side. I'm running out of ink. Like that. That would be a parallel line, a perpendicular line. If I wanted to draw a perpendicular line to this one, that would be one that goes like this, or just this one. This one would be a perpendicular line to this one, because it goes straight out from its side and it's touching it. So an example of a perpendicular line could be like a square. If I were to draw a square, man. Oh, dude. Dude. Dude, I'm drawing it all at a slant. Okay, like that's a perpendicular line. Go straight out. Okay. Okay, since this line is touching this one, and it goes straight out from its side, this one's a perpendicular line. Okay. More formal definition for a perpendicular line is a line that touches another line, or intersects, as many say in geometry, intersects another line, and they form a 90-degree angle, like this. But yeah, that's what a perpendicular line is. So a line that goes straight out from the side of another one and touches that line. Perpendicular. Alright, stay in school, guys. Don't get mauled by bears.